Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a truly dazzling card with the Expressions in Ink Specialty Designer Series paper and the coordinating Ephemera pack. These items are part of the Expressions in Ink suite, which also includes the Artistically Inked bundle. But other than one stamp, we're not going to use the bundle today. We're just going to let this gorgeous DSP do the talking. This paper is absolutely stunning, with gold foil accents running through the designs. The measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, scored in the center, and a piece of designer series paper that's cut to 4 by 5.25. This month's paper pumpkin kit is based on this suite. It's called Expressions in Color, and you can get it for $30 delivered to your door. The paper pumpkin kit includes everything you need for a fantastic crafting experience. It's got 2 ink spots, an exclusive stamp set, pre-cut elements, and instructions for assembling the cards. Because this is my favorite suite in the new catalog, and this kit is based on that suite, I'm going to be hosting a virtual crafting event on June 23rd where we'll assemble our kits together on Zoom. I'll put the link to purchase the kit and the link for more information about my virtual craft night in the comments. Be sure to subscribe at paperpumpkin.com by June 10th to get this amazing kit. Now I've got the Artistically Inked stamp set here, and I'm going to actually stamp right on the designer series paper, which isn't something I normally do. But I love how there are areas of color and then areas of white where we can decorate it ourselves. Now I'm going to embellish with some elements from the Ephemera pack. Now I think some people are nervous about this Ephemera pack because it's such a strange word. How do you say it? What does it mean? They should have really just called it gorgeous embellishments because that's what it is. You get a pack of these stunning iridescent sequins and then 5 sheets of these laser cut pieces, which are gold on one side and white on the other. So I've got some here that have been punched out from the sheet already, and I'm going to use this to embellish my card. Now all I need to do is assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I am offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!